Hi, I'm Cheryl Beckridge, and this is the Wise Owl Knits Fibercast. If this is your first time watching, thank you for tuning in today, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you came back. This is going to be a short episode today. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the knit along that we have coming up that will start March 1st, and that is for the Wildflower tee. I have an adult size version of the pattern that's been out for about a year. This is the Wildflower, and I have a version now that is sized from babies through teens. And this pattern will go on sale on my website on February the 1st. And I will have a discount, a 15% discount on this pattern as well as the adult pattern throughout the month of February. At the same time, I have been collaborating with Holly of Mystery Mouse Yarns and Susan of Delightful Works. Susan has 3 different versions of project bags, and I will scroll through those up here that go along with the knit along. They go on sale on February the 1st also. Susan was so nice to send this one. And Holly has 3 different kits that she has dyed up from Mystery Mouse Yarns. And excuse me, I am sure you've seen Holly's yarn before, but she bases her yarn colors on books. And she's got 3 different kits. One is the Wizard of Oz, which I'll show that colorway up here. The second is the Little Princess, and she sent me a kit for that I'm knitting for my preteen niece. And the third one is Little House on the Prairie. So Little House on the Prairie is up there too. If you've got yarn in your stash that you want to use, obviously that is just fine too. Maybe you have a skein, a pretty skein that you've been saving up along with some minis that are somewhere in your drawer. That is perfectly fine too. Holly's kits come with 5 minis, and they come with either a 50 gram or 100 gram skein of the main color. You can also get them with 2 skeins of the main color or 3 skeins of the main color. I think a better idea than that is if you're knitting one of the larger sizes, order 2 kits so you'll have 2 sets of the minis and 2 full-size skeins, and that should get you through. Maybe for the very largest couple of sizes, you might need 1 more main color skein. It's a really flexible pattern though. On this one that I did for Ellie, I did not really plan how I was going to do my color changes up here in the yoke, and I just kind of, I guess, flew by the seat of my pants and picked the colors as I went, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. So you can do that if in the middle you decide you want to add another color in. It's perfectly fine. It's very flexible that way. It is fingering weight, so if you're looking through your stash, you want to look for fingering weight colors. They don't have to be minis, but if you've got scraps left over from other projects, that works. If you have some mini skeins and a full skein, or here's another one from Mystery Mouse that I was really looking for some minis that I thought would look good with that because I love this color. It's Treasure Island. I've got 3 of these, so I may save this for something else. The kits and the project bags and the patterns go on sale on February the 1st. So both Holly of Mystery Mouse and Susan of Delightful Works are on Etsy, and of course I have them linked down below in the show notes. And then my website is wiseowlknits.com, so you can go there to find the patterns. Sounds like a lot of people are excited about the knit along. I've gotten lots of messages, so I really hope that you'll join us for that. And that is all I have for today. Kind of a short and sweet episode. I've had a busy day, had to get on the computer at 9 a.m. with all my camping buddies to make our reservations for camping this summer. You have to do it exactly 6 months ahead of time, so we all got on, and then after that I had to go down to Bloomington to meet my brother and sister for lunch. So it's been a busy day, but I wanted to get this in just to make sure you guys all knew what was happening and all get in on the yarn kits and the bags and get your patterns ready for the knit along. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.